What up, everybody, and welcome back to E-Rides and Explore. I want to give a big shout out to all my subscribers and my viewers. Thank you for all the support. I want to say thank you for all the support on the video I just put out on my new series, Abandoned Rides. Thank you very much. We'll be having some more of those coming soon. Today we're here at the hut, and the hut is where I'm going to be doing unboxings, reviews, range tests, speed tests, and good stuff like that, and having good conversation with you guys on whatever you guys topics you want to talk about. And today the topic we're talking about is Cloudwheel donuts. I finally got my hands on a box. I had to wait. They were sold out on the first batch, so I got the second batch. Boom, here we go. And yes, I had to pay for them. No one gave me these. I bought these out of my own pocket. All right, so let's see what's inside the box. Boom, here you go, guys. We're gonna get papers with instructions. That's basically what it is here. And here are the tires. We're gonna have the front tires. I had to get the orange. I wanted the red, but they only had black and orange available. They're nice. They're a polyurethane with a foam dampening inside of them to help. And these are the donuts here. I got my screws and my tools right here. This slides right out. Let's just slide this out, guys, so you can see the donut, how it slides right in. I'm curious to see how these work, guys. I've heard a lot of things. People like them. Some people don't like them. So we're going to test it out ourselves. They bring you the little bearings and spacers here. They bring the little bearings and spacers. So really, that's what you get in the box. I know that's not that much exciting. What we want to do is put them on the board and get them out there and see how they feel, right? We really want to know how comfortable they are, whether they're going to reduce my range, and am I going to increase speed. Let's see what it's all about. I'm gonna be putting the Cloudwheel donuts on the Maxfind Max 4 Pro. This is my go-to board for group rides and for commuting. So you know she has the urethane tires on it, so it makes for a rough ride on bumps. So I'm hoping to accomplish that with these tires, to at least get a little bit more of a smoother ride. And let's see if that works. All right, guys, let's flip this over. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm not gonna waste you guys' time unscrewing, showing you how to unscrew screws. You guys pretty sure know how to unscrew some screws, and there's plenty of videos out there showing you how to change these. I think what we're more concerned about is what range we're going to lose, what speed we're going to gain, and comfortability. That's what we're here for. All right, guys, you ready? Let's change these tires right now. There it is, guys. Look how cool they look. Orange tires on the Maxfind Max 4 Pro. All right, guys. Now we're gonna check out the comfortability of the ride, the speed, and the decrease of range that we get. So let me get everything together, and I'll meet you out in the path, and we'll go for a ride. What up, everybody? This is day 2. I had to start the video over in the next day because it started raining on me. So we're really doing now the speed test, the range test, and the comfortability test. So right now, I gotta ride to my job. So I thought this would be a good time to test it out. We got the Cloudwheel donuts on, the Max 4 Pro from Maxfind. The comfortability of it is awesome, guys. I think it's worth it. If you're on a hub motor and you just want something a little bit more comfortable, your range is going to suffer for real, and some of your speed might suffer also. I gotta pay attention to cars. I'm on a really busy street here, guys. We're gonna go up to the catwalk now, cross over so I can get to my job. We just got off the catwalk, guys. I'm on another sidewalk here. These little bumps are a little slippery. No problem whatsoever handling that. Some pretty big bumps here. I'm putting it to the challenge. I mean, you're still gonna feel some of the big bumps, guys, but it's, like I say, 20% better. It doesn't really kill your feet. I could probably ride this a lot longer than what I normally would because it doesn't hurt my feet. We're gonna do a little range test now after I stop here at my job. We're gonna go down West Ave into the golf course and we'll see how we do. All right, guys, I'm back. Got what I needed for my job. Sorry for the wind. So we're gonna head down the Westward Ave now, take a little path there, and we're gonna check out the range on this. And I'll let you know the top speed when I get to an area that's real smooth and I can go and I'll check it on my app. I've used the board already in a group ride, so I figure I could probably get 10 miles on the board. I want everybody to know that I'm not using the 158 watt-hour battery that comes with this board. I've upgraded to the 216. That just gives you way better, you get better mileage on it. I love the nimbleness of it. I love the way they grip. I feel real in control. I feel a lot more stabler on these tires than I did on the urethanes. I'm probably not gonna be stopping too much. We're just gonna run this whole range test without stopping. Because I only have a couple hours. I do have to go to work. On 3.8 miles so far. Yep, I still got 3 bars of battery. And let's just keep going. Alright guys, we're going down Curtis Parkway here. This is the bike path that goes right down the middle. I'm down to 2 bars still. I still have some range here. I'm not too worried about it. I'm gonna start heading back to the house now. 8 miles. Exactly 8 miles, 8.0 miles. I've done 55 minutes. I'm still at 1 bar, so I'm pretty sure I probably have 2 more miles before the board actually dies out. So I'm pretty sure I could get 9-10 miles out of this battery now with these tires on. That's not bad. I did 14 before, 14, 15, depending on my riding style. So I lost about 4.5 miles by putting on these tires. So that's what you could expect by putting on these donuts on your Maxfind Max 4 Pro. Now let's check out our speed. Our max speed was 26 miles an hour. Our average speed was 9 miles. And our distance was 8.2 miles on this one. So, okay. So that's not too bad. Like I said, I think we could pull 10 miles before we die out. That's not too bad. I could live with that. All right, guys. I want to thank you all for watching. I hope this covers everything. Speed, comfort, range. You know what to expect now when you get these tires for your hub motors. Board has to have a hobby wing motor on it for to use it. So thanks again for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, leave a comment, tell me what you think. For my viewers out there, leave a comment, tell me what you think also. And to our next video. All right, guys, have a good one and thanks for watching.